Here is 10.5 years old ignition switch, which is the base part of your key mechanism in a car. I needed to change this because the VCDS gave me error code about some of these 6 poles, 3 of them having bad contact. 3 pins that have a bad contact sometimes, not always. So I replaced it with a new one. So to take it apart you need this kind of screwdriver. And there is a one small pin behind this. So it comes out. And then this white part is the same. There's these small areas here, you have to press them to get it open. I have already taken this apart once, but when you take this apart first time, it looks like this. A very simple mechanism, not high voltage going through. It looks like it's controlling a computer, digital signals. So the car, ECU or whatever knows the position of your key fob. But I replaced this with a new, it cost 35 euros. I don't know about the quality, it wasn't OEM part, which is sad. So the point is I want to repair it because I already checked that there's a little bit wear on this metal plate where this part is slipping. But the wear is really minimal, and the problem seems to be that when these pins here hit this plastic area in here, this black area here, it's gathering a little bit of the plastic on these pins. These pins are now cleaner because I touched them with my fingers, but there's this plastic gunk getting out of them. I believe that's probably the issue, so I just cleaned this, and next time when this replacement part breaks, I put this original back. I mean, this is so simple device, and there's nothing big into this thing. So let's see if I can clean this. Is it possible? That's a big question at the moment because I haven't done it yet. See, it's dirty as hell. Much cleaner now, and there's a lot of gunk in that black area. I think I used some sort of liquid, not water, but some cleaning liquid. I need to find something good for this purpose and try to clean it with that. So anyway, there is any microcontrollers in this part, so it's not like some composition sensor which had some freaking small computer inside. So I believe this is just waste buying new, unless when these wear off these metal plates, but that doesn't look wearing much at all yet. It's just that gunk between there making a bad contact.